This is the oil lamp that never goes out and leaves a wonderful fragrance for a long time. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this homemade oil lamp. That, besides decorating your home, it's gonna make it super fragrant. And for this, we're gonna need a lime cut into slices. Make sure to cut it neither too thin or too thick. We're also gonna need a glass container. You can use these mason jars. That's what I'm gonna use here. Now, let's use coarse salt. And there's no exact amount for this. Just add it until you get a layer of coarse salt about 2 fingers thick. After the salt, let's also add the lime we cut. And you can place them just like I'm doing here. Place them like this because we need to leave enough room for the water. And as I said, there's no exact amount. It depends on the size of the jar you're using for this. But add the water leaving a space of about 2 fingers. Because we're also gonna add more things. And the next ingredient we're gonna add here is cloves. Cloves are not only very fragrant, but also help repel insects, especially mosquitoes. If you prefer, you can also add cinnamon, but here I'm using just the ingredients I already had at home. Okay, next, I'm also gonna add a bit of eucalyptus essence. This is gonna enhance the citrus scent of the lamp, making it even more fragrant. You can find this essence at drugstores or natural product stores. And to finish, let's complete it with cooking oil. And this will be our fuel, guys. And since oil doesn't mix with water, it's gonna stay on top. And that's exactly what we need here. Once that's done, we're gonna need disposable cups. I think everyone must still have some left from birthdays or parties at home. So let's go ahead and cut the bottom part. That's all we're gonna need actually. After cutting the bottom part, just make a small hole in the middle, because then we're gonna thread the wick of our lamp. Here I'm using the string from a regular candle, and for this you can mount or cut it. I prefer to cut it as it's way easier and less work. So then just thread the string through the hole we made. Then place it in the jar. And now our homemade oil lamp is ready. Just light it and place it in any room of your home. And you can even use it for a special dinner, as it looks pretty fancy. And it's gonna last for hours and hours with a pleasant scent. Also, whenever you wanna use it again, all you gotta do is replenish the oil. So that was today's tip. I really hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.